Everybody knows about the pyramids in Egypt, but we've heard about something even more mysterious is being researched here in Bosnia. So we came by to check it out.
My name is Dr. Semir Osmanagic. I have been researching pyramids all my life. I discovered the Bosnian pyramids in the little Bosnian town of Visoko. The Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun, with its height of 220 meters, is the biggest, largest pyramid on the planet. Three main pyramids, Sun, Moon and Dragon, form perfect equilateral triangle.
I think it's really hard not to see that there is something going on, you know?
Our team's passion is to discover unique places around the world and seeing them from our perspective, mostly from above.
All the focus goes in one jump. Jumping together is super fun. It's really great and very exciting, and you get to see a lot of different places.
Extreme sports, skydivers over the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun. It's very exciting combination.
It's always amazing to fly over big landmarks, and if you have a very historical landmark like this one, it feels really special, and I think it's a big privilege to be able to fly above something like this and have a look at it from the air.
Actually, it's a mystic place here.
This place is awesome and we're going to be back.